Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change screen resolution on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the display section. Now just scroll a little bit down and here you will see the screen resolution settings section, and here you can see that we can change the resolution of our screen to the HD plus, to the full HD plus, and to the wide quad HD plus. So and then just to click it here to apply. Wait a second, and as can you see, we just changed successfully our screen resolution. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.